Python programming language, self-parameter. Deep dive into the role of self in Python class methods and inheritance. In Python, self is a reference to the current instance of a class. It is used within class methods to access instance variables and differentiate data specific to each instance. Instance methods use self to access and modify the attributes of an object. This is crucial for performing operations that are specific to the instance, ensuring each object maintains its own state. In Python, self is used in instance methods to refer to the object instance, while class is used in class methods to refer to the class itself. This distinction is important for method behavior. In inheritance, self plays a key role in accessing parent class methods while maintaining the instance context. It allows method overriding and ensures methods resolved correctly in the class hierarchy. Common mistakes with self include omitting it in method definitions, incorrectly accessing instance variables, confusing it with class, and misplacing it in method calls. These can lead to errors in class behavior. Thank you for your time. You can find the content, examples, and our contacts in the video description. If you like this, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. We create video series for product, brand, and tech promotions. Feel free to reach out.